Hello there!
Hi there!
It's me, Faye!
You're
watching Nickjunior video! Because for today, I have a parrot bird! So looks so cute! And so, I give you one of them apple juice back! See, doesn't that look so cute? Now we're wanting something to doing. Hello there!
It's me, Faye!
Because for today, I'm going to be printing a 3D copy of myself. I want the printer to make a 5 copy. So, here it is! One of it, so let's see what happens when that's working. Remember, kids? Oh dear. Hey, it's working! I gotta get more the North School ages back. Yay! Yeah. Oh well. I think it's broken. At least I believe it. No 2D to get out with a printer to make it a 5 copy. Now, stay tuned for more Nickjunior video. Wait a minute, guys, again. I told you not supposed to be scary faces.